Right then, next set. Minions! Okay, this one's the Minions and Banana Car. Banana Car. 75580. Very small, 136 pieces. Might take a while. Big build, you know. Not sure if I've got space to display it. You know, it's going to be hard, but we'll do it. It comes with minifigures, and I'll have to read from the box. AVL Tim, Pit Crew Ron, Mega Minion Dave, and Mel. And of course, you get a couple of little side builds. Looks like there's a portrait painting of a banana. One of them is painting a banana, okay. There's a grappler. Ooh, that's interesting. And little, don't know what that is. Don't know what it's supposed to be, but not seen the film as yet. So it looks like there's a few little things in this, which could be quite cool. Looking forward to doing it. I love the Minions. They make me laugh, especially that. What was? Whatever his name is, he's always going around doing that. But yeah, this is the smallest one of the set. The description, official description, says, "Go bananas with this busy bunch of minions. Mega Minion Dave holds a weightlifting bar in one hand and a car engine in the other." Okay, that's what they are. Creative Mel paints a portrait of a banana. Pit Crew Minion Ron drives the big banana car, while Secret Agent AVL Tim flies by with spinning rotor blades on his head. Okay. And the remote control in his hands. What fun will they get up to next? That's for you to decide. Well, this looks like it's for me to decide then. GG's. Let's open up the build page, and then we'll open up the box. Okay, whilst that's doing that, do not want to wreck the box. Love the Minions. Okay, cool. Nicey. And looks like we managed to do it without breaking it. GG's. A little bit scuffed, but hey. Right. Just build, yeah. Why is it showing me build everything? Oh, that's the parts. Are you missing bricks? No. Okay, so you can choose on here which one to build. Right, let's have a look. Let's open it up. Oh, I see. Okay. That's interesting. Right. No stickers. That's good news. Although I don't mind stickers, they're fine. So, in the manual, it says box 1. Sorry, bag 1. We'll do bag 1 first, which is, I think, him. Okay, so let's build. Cool. Right. So bag 1, 2 and 3. This won't take long. Famous last word. Let's open it up. Done. And we will start the speed build. Right, finished. Nice simple build. Great fun. Okay, so the banana car, of course. I mean, what could be more fun? Minions and bananas. It's like, all right, so there's the banana car with, what's his name? I can't remember his name now. Hold on a second, let me get the box, because I haven't seen this new film. This one is, what is he? He's Pit Crew Ron. So Pit Crew Ron, there we go. Then we've got Mel, who's painting a picture of a banana right now. So there's Mel with his paintbrush, and there's his wonderful piece of artwork of a banana. And I'm supposing that this is like the, I don't know, table with paint on it or something. Maybe, doesn't really say. And then we've got Mega Minion Dave, who is super strong. He's lifting up an engine, which is really cool. I like the build of the engine. And weights at the same time. But he doesn't look very happy. He looks a bit miserable. He doesn't stand up without you balancing this, so you need to put him on a plate or something, because you know what you should be doing is that. You should actually be doing that, but if you do that, he's just going to fall over. So yeah, balance him put him on a plate or something, but whatever. That's him. He's cool. And then I think next to Pit Crew Ron, AVL Tim is one of my favourites, because I love this. He's got helicopter blades on his head, which do spin, and his remote control. And he basically, I suppose, he flies around. So that's pretty cool. He's a spy, secret agent. He's got a grappling gun, which we use in Lego Fortnite. And also he's got his walkie-talkie radio, and this must be his computer station. So there's all his little bits. Yeah, this was fun building, because they just make me laugh. Minions always make me laugh. I can't help but smile and laugh when I see the minions. Oh, by the way, yeah, he's sorry, he's actually got a gun of some description. Don't know what it is. So yeah, he's got a gun and a banana. Of course, he needs to eat his banana and shoot his gun at the same time. So we could put him like that. Okay. So there you go. He's shooting, driving the car, eating a banana. He's multitasking. So that's pretty cool. So Minions and Banana Car, set 75580. Love it. Very simple. And here's the picture showing you everything, like he's flying through the air. There's Pit Crew Ron. There's painting the picture of the banana. They love their bananas. But it doesn't really show. Okay, I got you. So, right. It's a bottle. I don't know why they put it on the table. It's a bottle here, which is this bit here. And this is obviously milk that he's squirting at people. So, yeah. So that's quite, I understand now. Okay, cool. Right, so there you go. So, set done. Next, I don't know. We'll see where it takes, what we choose. I got the rest of the Minion stuff down there. Also got the the speed set, the Lambo, and also the twin pack Mercedes. What else did I have? I got, the Harry Potter Buckbeak is that one. These are all the new ones. So we've got a few to keep us going. So I hope you're enjoying the videos. Comments, what do you think to this? Will you go out and buy it? You can't help but laugh when you're building it. Hopefully I'm going to put a little clip of the raspberry blowing and stuff in this video, if I remember. Future Tom, please remember. Okay, so that's cool. Enjoyed that. Good fun. Nice easy build. Smash the like button, subscribe, comments. What do you think? Do you think I'm stupid? Do you think I'm being a real kid? Or do you think you would be exactly the same if you were building minion stuff? See you later. Bye bye.